checking for the bad side. Bad side is going to be up just while we're laying it out.
Here, Cheryl. That's
Oh, thank you. So you're going to lay it out so that you don't get confused, because we usually lay our spokes out with the bad side up. You're going to lay them out with the bad side up, but then when we start weaving, we're going to flip it upside down. So that'll be an important part. To make a square base, I think it's easier to start like this with your plus sign. And as you can see, I'm checking for the bad side every time. You'll like it a lot better if you do that. So then I have 3 horizontally, 1 this way, vertically. Then we're just gonna weave that little bottom. Now, usually with most square bottom baskets, you're going to leave enough space. Let me get that in. Okay, you usually leave enough space in between these spokes so that you can weave in between them. But because of the way this basket is woven, using a chase weaving technique, we can make these a little bit tighter. And so I'm going to push these in so that we have these tiny little squares. I've had 4-H students say, oh, gee, now that's a whole basket base, isn't it? Yes. So if you wanted to turn these spokes up right now and start weaving, you can make a really tall, skinny basket. However, obviously, we're not going to stop there.
Going to do a little bit more.
Yes. So what I do is I get these locked in, but then I'm going to finish weaving these this way first, because when you only have 3 to weave through, it's much quicker.